HealthBreak is brought to you by Providence.
A hiatal hernia is a hole in the muscle of the diaphragm through which part of the upper stomach can bulge. This bulge can cause stomach acid and food to back up in the esophagus. Dr. Christopher Maki describes the symptoms.
Stomach pain, heartburn or classic reflux, a chronic cough, dental erosions, an acidic taste in your mouth. If a person has a reflux for a long period of time, it can, over time, lead to esophageal cancer.
Fortunately, there is a minimally invasive surgery that can fix a hiatal hernia.
We go in with long instruments through small little incisions and remove the hiatal hernia and actually pull it back down within the abdomen. Another option is what they call a transoral incisionless fundoplication, or a TIF procedure, and that it goes through the mouth, and we're able to help fold the stomach back down within the abdomen. Recovery from an anti-reflux procedure is typically done at home. You don't need a hospitalization often, or if you do, it's only for a day or two. By and large, most of them say they have no more reflux.
To find out more, visit montana.providence.org.
HealthBreak is brought to you by Providence.